Well, I got in the car this morning and this is what I see. Actually, when I first walked in the car, this screen wasn't even here. You can see this screen is totally blank. All I saw was a Tesla logo in this big screen. And it's been sitting here forever, powering up. I guess it just went through a manual reboot or something. I don't think it's any kind of software update, but let me know in the comments if you guys have seen anything like this on your Tesla before. It's obviously a time killer. I'm sitting here 30 seconds into this video already, still going, and it's been going for like a couple minutes at least, redoing this. So let me know in the comments if you've experienced similar in your Tesla. Well, we're into this a good 5, maybe 10 minutes now. This is crazy. How long can it take? I actually got out of the car. I tried opening and closing the door with the buttons on the key fob. It actually would not close the door with the buttons on the key fob or lock it like it normally does. It won't work. That function won't work, but it will work to open the door. It's kind of weird. I was trying to completely get this thing to shut down. Maybe it just needs another reboot. Maybe it's stuck in this process, but still nothing. And if it makes any difference, as you can see, it's a rainy day. It's a summer day. It's late July, humid and rainy, really rainy. It's been really damp here for a while. Maybe the dampness has something to do with this. I have no idea. I think I'm going to try a manual reboot now. This is getting too frustrating. Push and hold together. I don't think it's going to let me do a manual reboot. Let's see. No, I don't think it's letting me. It's kind of stuck. When you push and hold these for a few seconds, it usually will make everything go blank. But that's not happening. Oh man. I'm supposed to be going on a long distance trip right now too. Alright, I just pushed the brake and now it looks like it's rebooting. The lights came on. It looks like it's resetting now. It didn't say to put, it said wait till the message clears to push it. I pushed the brake anyway, and this is what's happened. So at least it's starting back up again. That's good. Whew. Again, anybody else have any similar experiences? Let me know. Thanks for watching.